PG Electroplast shares gained about 6% in trade today following a strong earnings report for Q3 FY25 with notable growth in both revenue and profitability. For the quarter ended December, the company reported a growth of 109% year-on-year basis in net profit to about 40.1 crore rupees. Shares of Gulf Oil saw a 7% jump in trade in the stock price after reporting a 22% on-year surge in net profit for the quarter. The firm also announced a dividend of Rs 20 per equity share for its shareholders. Telecom operator Bharti Airtel stock surged by 5% intraday after the company reported a staggering 505% increase in net profit for Q3. The exceptional profit boost was driven largely by a one-time gain due to consolidation of a major stake in Indus Towers. The Nifty Metal Index surged 2% intraday following the RBI's decision to cut the repo rate by about 25 basis points. The cut is expected to provide relief to metal sector companies with improved demand and lower financing costs, boosting investor optimism. The Nifty Realty Index climbed about 1.6% intraday after the RBI's 25 basis repo rate cut, which is expected to enhance affordability for real estate developers and home buyers. The sector saw a positive movement as the market sentiment improved in response to the repo rate cut. Sonata Software stock plummeted by about 15% after the company reported a ramp down in business from a key client in Q3. The change in outlook for Q4, which is now expected to show revenue degrowth, led to a significant sell-off. Shares of Bikaji Food fell 3% intraday after the company posted weak Q3 results. The 39% decline in net profit from 46.5 crore rupees to about 28.6 crore rupees due to higher input costs contributed to the sharp drop in the stock price. Cochin Shipyard's shares fell about 5% after reporting a 27% year-on-year decline for net profit in Q3. The fall in profit from 224 crore rupees to 177 crore rupees triggered concerns about the company's short-term growth prospects, pushing the stock price lower. Swiggy stock continued to extend losses, following about 2.5% in trade today as investors reacted to the higher-than-expected EBITDA losses for Q3. The fourth consecutive day of losses followed downgrades by investment analysts, including Macquarie, who lowered their target price on Swiggy shares to 325 rupees per share, fueling investor caution. The Bank Nifty Index dropped by 0.5% in trade today, despite the RBI's 25 basis points cut. The neutral stance maintained by the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee dampened the early optimism, followed by the lack of fresh liquidity measures, with Sensex stocks like HDFC Bank falling in trade today.